In this video, I'll show you top 3 SEO WordPress plugin, top 3 best SEO WordPress plugin that are very important if you want to optimize your website. We considered 22 SEO plugins in this video, and after considering all 20 plugins, we have come across 3 best SEO plugins. So what are those 22 plugins? That are RankMath, Yoast, All in SEO, SEO Press, Squarely SEO, Schema Pro, Redirection, WP Meta SEO, SEO Framework, Slim SEO, Broker Link Checker, Internal Link Juicer, XML Site Maps, Schema and Structured Data for WP and EMP, Monster Insight, WordFit, Ahref, SEMSRS, Moj Pro, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Title Tag SEO. These top 22 plugins I have considered, and I have come across 3 best SEO plugins that are really important for your SEO journey. When best SEO plugins after 4+ years of my experience with these SEO plugins. So if you also want to know about these plugins, be in the video and watch this video till the end. It's almost impossible to manually manage all WordPress SEO tasks. But the most popular solution on the internet are very expensive and generally lack important features. If you are managing multiple websites, it can cost you a lot of revenue managing a lot of websites. For example, if you want to use a Yoast SEO premium plugin for 100 websites, it can cost you $5,445 per year, right? But in this video, the number one SEO plugin that is my favorite one is RankMath, because it offers all the premium feature for free. Its free version allows you to optimize your unlimited website. Unlimited installation makes it cost-effective SEO solution for managing multiple websites. According to the WordPress repository, there are 88 different SEO plugins in the market. I have spent hours on comparing these plugins and create this video for you. These plugins are very important for your SEO journey if you are an SEO practitioner. RankMath is one of the best SEO plugin that has come in the market just 4 years ago in 2020. Its price starts from $5.75 per month. It is one of the best SEO plugin for WordPress that automates SEO complex tasks. It is an affordable. First thing, that it's a free plugin, but if you choose its premium version, it has a lot of premium features that can give you a lot of benefits, right? Its free version is more powerful than the Yoast SEO's free plugin. Its overall rating is around 4.5 or 4.6 in the WordPress directory. So the pros and cons of RankMath SEO plugin is it has Google Analytics integration, it has free rank tracker, it is easy to transfer from other plugins to this plugin, it has powerful schema generator. The best part about the RankMath is free premium features and unlimited site usage. RankMath offers premium module like redirection, analytics for free. On the top of, you can use this WordPress plugin on the unlimited website. The top feature of RankMath are Google Search Console and Analytic integration, powerful schema generator, free keyword rank tracking, Elementor and DB friendly, image SEO, and much more. It is the best plugin in the market. It comes with free, pro, and business and agency. It has free pricing plan, that is pro, which costs you $7.75 per month. Business plan costs you $19.08 per month. And agency plan costs you $45.75 per month. Number 2 is Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO's premium version costs you $99 a year, which is double of the Yoast SEO, and it comes with fewer SEO features than the RankMath. It is one of the alternative of RankMath with the upfront cost. There are a lot of pros and cons of this Yoast SEO. The best feature of Yoast SEO is provides you robust, time-tested SEO optimization based on years of experience in the SEO industry and help you implement your strategy. It has been in the market for a lot of time. It's been an old plugin. It is not new in the industry. Top feature of Yoast SEO is advanced schema markup, sitemap robot.txt, on-page SEO analyzer, snippet preview, content insight, synonym suggestion. It comes with one premium plan that is $99 per year. The third plugin in the R list is All-in SEO. This plugin costs you $3 per month. It has various features. The best feature about this plugin is its SEO setup wizard. All-in SEO makes optimization easy through its intelligent setup wizard, instant SEO best practices. The top features of All-in SEO is XML sitemap integration, title and meta description control, on-page SEO optimization, schema markup integration, headline generator. If you talk about the pricing plan, it has 4 plans. Basic plan costs you $3 per month, Plus plan costs you $6 per month, Pro plan costs you $12 per month, and Elite plan costs you $18 per month. So these were our top 3 SEO plugins. Here is a recap of these best SEO WordPress plugin. If you want to try, that is RankMath, the best of the best, Yoast SEO best for agencies, and AI SEO best for ease of use. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, you can give a thumbs up to this video, and if you want to watch videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I'll publish any video, you will get noticed.